Kaugnay pa rin ang pagkamatay sa aksidente ng dating basketballistang si Brian Gahol. Makakausap natin ngayon ang dating niyang coach sa Red Bull na si Yeng Guiao. Mr. Guiao, nandiyan ba kayo?
Opo, morning Howie and morning Kara.
Yes, nakikiramay po kami sa pamilya at sa mga kaibigan at naging kasama ni Brian sa basketball katulad ninyo. Ano po ang naging reaction niyo sa balitang ito?
Well, I was shocked. I just received the text early this morning. And nagulat ako kasi Brian, he's young, he's strong. Couple of years ago, he was my player when I was still with the Red Bull. And ano siya, mabait na bata, tahimik. He had really good basketball IQ. He was very talented. Although ano siya, he was going from one team to another, primarily because a lot of the coaches had doubts about his passion and his commitment. He had the talent, pero medyo ano siya, no, medyo laid back siya. But he had the talent and he was a very useful asset when he was playing for me sa Red Bull.
Yeah, Coach, ano yung position na nilaro niya para sa inyo?
Actually, Brian can play the post. No? He's a player who can play multiple positions, from yung off guard to a small forward to a power forward. He has the size to play that post, and he can step out and shoot the outside shot. Isa siya dun sa mga produkto ng UP, no, na very rare kasi sa UP, and I'm also from UP, but very rare na merong mga talagang nagiging outstanding coming out ng college. So he's in the mold of yung sina Ronnie Magsanok, sina Benji Paras, coming out of UP, sila Eric Altamirano, and has had good success sa PBA.
Yeah, so he was a very versatile player at yung nga, tulad ng sinabi niyo, bihira yung nagiging professional player galing sa UP, which is not known as a powerhouse basketball team in the UAAP.
Tama yun, no? And Brian was really one of those rare talents na sinasabi ko nga. If only he could have played longer, no, in the PBA if he had that passion and that commitment, no, to his career. But somehow hindi na-realize yung full potential niya. He was very young, but he was going from one team to another. But when he played for me doon sa Red Bull, I think there was one game doon sa quarterfinals, no, where he made the winning shot, and that made it memorable for us. No? He was the guy who made that winning shot at the buzzer, and that's really what stands out pagka I look back to his career with me while he was playing for Red Bull.
Okay, thank you for sharing those highlights and memories. Yeng Guiao, dating coach ni Brian Gahol sa Red Bull.